Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pavni's Creative Edge. And it's Janvika's Farm Animals Day Out. So we have been to this renowned place called Daisy Dale Farm Park, which is located at Bulkapur, Shankarpalli. And it was showing 1 hour 20 minutes approximately from our house. And Janvika was fully prepped for this day out. So without further ado, get set, go. The three little munchkins were super excited for the day out. And finally, we reached our destination Daisy Dale Farm Park and Resort. And there enters my tomboy with full swag. And that's the ticket counter. For adults it is 600 and for kids it's 550. And as soon as you enter, you'll find some ducks over there. The three kids were so thrilled to see the ducks shouting and in motion. And moving on, we had this white, beautiful cockatoo bird, where this person comes and makes the bird land on our hand. And as soon as it landed, it got attracted to Janvika's hair clip and pulled it away. Janvika, being a pet lover, she was more casual about the bird, but she was more concerned about the hair clip being taken away. And she was even trying to communicate with the bird. After that, we have moved on to the domestic animals. Some beautiful white rabbits. And they also fed the food for some cows and goats over there. There is also a restaurant in this farm where we halted for a quick lunch. And once our lunch is done, we moved down to the play zone section. The three kids became too tired after playing in the play zone and they had a quick snack time. And then we moved on to the bird feeding section. And as soon as we entered into this big cage-like section, with so loud of all the birds chirping sounds, and also feeding the birds with our own hands, it made the all three little kids' day out more special. It was really a treat to our eyes seeing these lovely birds and feed them so closely. After that, we moved on to the boating section, where Divija was being a pro in rowing that boat. And Janvika was keen to touch the water more than rowing a boat. And her dad made it happen and she touched the water finally. After that, they went for a toy train ride, which covers the 7 wonders of the world. Then also a bus ride which also covers the 7 wonders and also gives the overview of the whole farm. And after that, there comes the riders. And soon it became evening and they have left the ducks into the lawn. And all the kids over there were super excited to run behind the ducks and play with them. We also clicked some quick pictures and came out of the farm. And as soon as you come out of the farm, onto your left hand side you will find this farm pickups where you can handpick the fruits and vegetables over there. All the 3 kids were given baskets to keep their hand-plucked fruits and vegetables in it. And that is how our 3 little munchkins had a beautiful day out at this beautiful Daisydale Farm Park. Hope you all liked my video. Thanks for watching my video and please do subscribe my channel for more videos.